Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer TRX from XMO to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron, TRX, tokens from the XMO exchange to your Coinbase Wallet for better security or easier management, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Coinbase Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Coinbase Wallet app and create or log into your account. On XMO, ensure your TRX is in your main wallet and that you've completed any necessary verifications. 2025 regulations might require extra KYC steps, so stay compliant. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and navigate to the TRX section. Tap on Receive to generate a unique wallet address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully, as it's a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify the address by scanning a QR code if possible to prevent errors. Next, head over to the XMO website or app. Log in securely, go to your TRX balance, and select the Withdraw option. Paste the Coinbase Wallet address you copied earlier into the withdrawal form. You'll need to enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network fees, which can vary in 2025 due to blockchain updates. TRX typically uses the Tron network, so select that as your withdrawal network to ensure compatibility. Before confirming, review everything twice. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh the app. You should see your TRX appear in your balance. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your assets. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always use secure connections and enable two-factor authentication. If you run into issues, check XMO or Coinbase support for 2025 specific updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.